Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Decode with Ratan. So in today's lecture we are going to cover one of the most important questions that can be asked in most of the data analyst interview people having more than 3+ year of experience. That is calculate year over year experience, year over year sales growth. So how to find year over year sales growth? There might be questions based on month over month growth, days over days growth, quarter over quarter growth. But almost all the questions are equal, are same. It is just what is the difference between both of them? That is the group by condition. So in today's lecture, what we are going to cover that is year over year sales growth, and we will categorize into the different category, then find the percentage as well. So let's read what is the problem statement. Statement is you are given a table. We have an employee sales table, employee sales year over year table that contains sales transaction data across a multiple category over the years. So we have three different years data, that is 2023, 2024, and 2025. And we have different categories such as electronic category, furniture category, clothing category. So we have these three category and we have data of the last 3 years, 2025, 2024, and 2023. So now what we have to do, we have to find the year over year growth. Let's make it more simplify. Go to Excel and see what the step that we have to follow in this. So this is our data in which we have order ID, employee name, category, sales amount, and sales date. What we have to do, first of all, we have to do a group by condition. After group by condition, what kind of data we have? Like we have one category that is clothing. We have 2023, 2024, 2025 data, and what is the yearly sales of clothing category in each year. Then what is the third step that we have to do? We have to find the previous year sales because we have to find year over year. So we will compare current year with the previous year and previous year with the second previous year. So now we have previous year sales. How to find it? We will able to find this with the help of lag function. The final stages to we will find the growth percentage. What we will do, we will subtract previous year sales and previous year sales, and we will find the sales percentage of year over year growth. Now let's write code for this. I will share this data and code in the description section and in the comment as well. So please try yourself, try this question. This is one of the very important question for interviews. This is my data: order ID, employee name, category, sales amount, and sales date. Let's write code for this. Okay, so first of all we have to use the group by condition. So group by on the basis of category and year. So group by, how to find year? Basically we will use a year function from the date column. So group by category and then year. We will extract the year from sales date column. Sales date column. Now copy this and paste, and what we have to find, we will write the sum of which column? Sales amount column. Sales amount column as total sales. So after this we have category, we have year, and we have total sales. Let's write this as year data. Now this is our first step. In this step, what we did, we group by on the yearly basis. Now we will create one CTE with, let's name it as yearly sales as This is our CT syntax. We will write with the name of CT, then we will write as. Close this and now select star from this particular CT, yearly sales CT. Now in the yearly sales, what we have to do, we have to find the lag of the year column. So to find the lag, what we are going to use, we will going to use lag function, and we will write we will write total sales over, we will do partition based on the different category, partition by the different category, and then we will do order by based on year data. Order by year. Why we did order by year? So that first of all we have 2023 data, then 2024, then 2025 data, and close as it is previous year sales. Let's run this code. When I run this code, what we will able to figure it out, we will get the previous value in the previous year sales column. Let's suppose 53,000 is in 2024 row, but it is the value of 2023. So in lag, we received the previous value, previous row value. Okay. So there is null as well. So how to tackle null? There are few syntax in this. I want to start from one, and if there is any null value, then what I want the total sales value. In so what will happen? This total sales, the null will replace by the total sales value. So instead of null, we have there are three null, and when I run this code, see what will happen. Null is replaced by the total sales. So if I move to again Excel, now I have that I completed the three steps. Category, year, yearly sales. This column we able to find out with the help of group by, and this column with the help of lag function. So now we have total sales and previous year sales. Now what we have to find? We have to find year over year growth. Now again create one CT, and what is the name of CT? Let's suppose year over year calculation, growth calculation, growth calculation. As close this function and again write select star from year over year growth calculation. Let's run this. In this step, we will find the percentage. How to find the percentage? Again, let's write star here. We will write total sales. This is the yearly sales, or we can write this as yearly sales. Instead of total sales, let's write yearly sales. Rename this and rename this as well. Right here, yearly sales. What we are going to do, yearly sales minus previous year sales means to find year over year growth. What we are doing, this yearly sales minus previous year sales. So yearly sales minus previous year sales, and we will find the percentage. So into 100 into 100.0, and then let's divide it with previous year sales, and what we going to name this as year over year growth percentage, year over year growth percentage. So we have one more column with the name of year over year percentage. This is the ask of the question that we have to find the year over year growth. What does it mean that 2024 clothing section increased by 30% as compared to 2023? What does 88% mean? 2025 clothing percentage increased by 8% in comparison of 2024 data. Okay, so in companies, you will use this function a lot. Like in financial term, we have to give year over year growth. What is month over month growth? Your manager, senior manager will going to ask after every month, okay, tell me what is the year, what is the month over month growth is going on for this particular category. Okay, so this function, this particular code is very useful when you are going to work in your company, and even when you are going to give your interviews. This particular question is very much useful. There can be questions such like it is year over year growth. Now this is your task to find the month over month growth and quarter over over quarter growth. So try to write code for month over month growth and quarter over quarter growth. If you will find any difficulty, so please let me know in the comment box. I will share solution for month over month and quarter over quarter growth as well. Thank you so much. Again, we will meet in the next interview question that can be asked in any of your data analyst interview or data engineer interview. Thank you so much.